Hi, I'm John, and welcome to Session 8 of the Explorer program. From the video you just saw, you probably already guessed what I'll be talking about today. Over the past few years, online games have become a major source of entertainment, and playing video games has become a popular pastime for virtually every single age group. The growth of demand has been a boon for the gaming sector, causing the game industry to grow by leaps and bounds. New ideas, new technologies, and new innovations are explored every single day. A first-person shooter action game, a fighting game, an action-adventure game, basketball and football simulation games. Options are aplenty. And games are a visual treat with compelling characters and intriguing stories. The COVID-19 quarantine period in 2020 has turned out to be a major boost for the gaming industry, as video gaming has emerged as a popular source of entertainment. Its immersive and interactive experiences made it popular among all types of people during this time of boredom. And it's also kept people connected with friends and family during this time of isolation. Do you indulge in video games? Are you curious about how a game is developed? What kind of work goes into it? Well, in this session, I'll be talking about game development and about its origin, its present form, its future, and what steps to take in order to make a career in game development. Let me start off by sharing with you some facts about the game development industry. The number of games released between 2017 to 2018 on Steam, a platform for playing, discussing, creating, and launching games, was over 16,000. There are more than 2.5 billion video gamers from all over the world. The video games market is expected to be worth over $90 billion by 2020. In 2019, the revenue earned by the digital gaming industry in the United States was $10 billion. Gaming is highly in demand, so much so that every day, 25 new games are released on Steam. Video games are electronic games played on a computing device such as personal computers, gaming consoles, or mobile phones, etc. Video games have various subcategories: computer games, console games, mobile and social games, and these games have genres too. Some are including action games, adventure games, role-playing games, simulator games, racing games, sports games, etc. The options are endless. Video games are diversified into various categories, such as, first, PC gaming, also known as computer games or personal computer games. PC gaming is a type of video game played on a personal computer. It's played by using a keyboard and mouse or a mobile device that uses a touch interface. The first computer game or digital game is said to be Space War. Released in 1962, the game was first played and programmed by Steve Russell. Next is console gaming. Console games are a little bit different. It receives commands from the player through the use of an input device, commonly called a controller. Console games are limited in their control schemes by the hardware available for the console. Next is mobile gaming. These games are designed for mobile phones, tablets, smartwatches, PDAs, portable media players, or even graphic calculators. The earliest known game on a mobile phone was Tetris Variant on the Hagneck MT2000 device from 1994. In 1997, Nokia launched a very successful game called Snake, which also happened to be a mobile game. Online gaming is the next category. An online game is a video game that is either partially or primarily played through the internet or other computer networks available. And finally, but definitely not least, is esports. Multiplayer video games played competitively by spectators or by professional players.